So yo, what's up guys, this is Karthik and welcome back to Codolearn. So guys, in the previously video we have learned about how to print something with a new line and without a new line, and in this video we are going to discuss about this range function. So before getting late, make sure that you have liked this video and subscribe to Codolearn-Docs channel. So let's get started. And guys, usually let's discuss about what are the core concepts of Python will be used in this video. So guys, we will use the variables, and we will use the import statement, and we will use the range function and add some parameters to it, and we will use the for loop, and the lastly is we will use the print. So guys, let's write some code. And guys, before writing some codes, we have to know something about range function. So let's know it about. Guys, let's know about what our range function actually is. So create a new file with the name range.py. And guys, first of all, the range function, this range function returns a sequence of numbers starting from 0, and it's by default, and increments to 1, it's also by default, and stops before a specified number. So guys, let's discuss about the syntax. So guys, the syntax of the range function is this. We have to create a function with the name range and add some parameters to it, and the first parameter is going to be start, and the second is going to be stop, and the last parameter is going to be step. So guys, these are the parameters. So let's start the trip to know more about these parameters. So guys, firstly I will type parameter values. Just wait a second guys, parameter values, and here I will comment this heading. And guys, after that, first of all, we will discuss about the first parameter, and the first parameter is start. So guys, start parameter is optional, and it is an integer number specifying at which position to start. Default is 1, the default is 0. And guys, let's discuss about the second parameter, and the second parameter is going to be stop. And guys, in this parameter, this parameter is required, and it is also an integer number specifying at which position to stop. And guys, third is step, and guys, it's also optional, and it's also an integer number specifying the incrementation, and default is 1. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this strip of parameter values, and let's write some code. So I will type example and comment out this. So guys, first of all, we will declare a variable with the name x, and we will type range, and guys, we will pass some parameters. So guys, as we know, the first parameter is going to be start, and guys, instead of this start, I have to assign a number. So instead of this, I will type 3, and then the stop, and guys, also instead of this stop, we have to assign a number, and in this case I will type 20, and then lastly step, and we have to also assign a number to it. So in this case I will type 3, and then this semicolon, and guys, I'm sorry guys, not semicolon, press enter, and then guys, you have to type for, and then n, and in x, and then semicolon, and then you have to type print n, and control is to save. And guys, when I run this program, and here you can see guys, it shows me an error. Okay guys, we have to comment out this syntax example, and cls, and again in this file, here you can see guys, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19 is printed. So guys, in the next tutorial we will learn something more about Python. So for that, bye bye, see you later, and take care.